There's no words to explain all the guilt and all the shame.
Thank you all for being here today. This is a special day for me and for our team that have worked so hard on Songs for Survivor.
We started with working with underserved populations in Louisiana for arts, and veterans is one of our largest underserved populations. So as we were going through thinking of things we could do with them, we came up with the idea of doing a veteran songwriting workshop. We did 4 of those. We did one in Baton Rouge, we did one in Lake Charles, Alexandria, and Shreveport. We had three songs come out of those workshops.
We are survivors, we are fighters. We're here for the broken, for the pains unspoken.
We found as we were going through this, Americans for the Arts contacted us about doing a arts and military summit. Several states have had conversations and dialogues about this, but we're the first state to actually have a summit, to sit down and bring all of the arts practitioners, humanities, elected officials, as well as arts organizations and humanities organizations together in one place.
It takes leadership to lead, and I think in this particular point in time, Lieutenant Governor is providing that leadership and enabling the community throughout the state to provide that service to the military men and women that's so vitally needed.
So this is personal to me. It goes way back to my father being a Marine and to the way I was brought up in honoring our veterans.
This helps males, females, no matter what age group, we've had all ages, to find a common bond, to be able to share experiences in a safe place to where they feel good, they feel supported, and it gives them the arts give them an avenue to move forward.
I know the healing has begun every time these words are sung, but those memories of that time stands with a stillness in my mind. So I guess you had to be there. I guess you had to be there. Guess you had to be there like me.